Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a quick update on the tropics here on ArkLaTex as we give you an update on the latest advisories from the National Hurricane Center regarding Tropical Storm Marco and Tropical Storm Laura. You can see the latest advisory showing Marco still a tropical storm with maximum sustained winds at 70 miles per hour. It's moving towards the north-northwest at around 14 miles per hour and is expected to head towards the coast of southeast Louisiana as we head into the weekend, actually, as we head into tomorrow. So here's a look at the latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center. Hot off the press is showing Marco making a landfall as a Category 1 storm, but weakening very quickly as it moves through southern Louisiana. And you can see by the time we get to Tuesday evening, it's quite possible we could see the center of the system moving across the southern edge of the ArkLaTex down towards Toledo Bend as a tropical depression. Now, right on the heels of Marco, we have Tropical Storm Laura, which is now centered just very close to Port-au-Prince. It is making its way towards the west-northwest at around 21 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds with Laura sitting at 50 miles per hour. Here's the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center regarding Laura, and you can see it moving right across Cuba, which will keep its strength minimal. But then as it moves over the open waters, latest forecast is for it to become a Category 2 storm just as it makes landfall probably sometime Wednesday night near Sabine Pass. Now, we have seen the forecast for both of these storms change dramatically. Instead of noticing and focusing in on the red line here, I would focus in on basically the whole cone. This is the cone of uncertainty. Models have not been handling this 1-2 punch scenario of these tropical systems very well. We've seen dramatic changes from model run to model run. In fact, a pretty good shift to the west here with this latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center regarding Laura. Obviously, this path would bring some issues for the ArkLaTex in terms of wind as well as potentially some rainfall. Here's the latest outlook from the Weather Prediction Center regarding potential rainfall. This is actually, before we do that, you can see a note to make about the spaghetti plots and the uncertainty. You can see the huge swath of various possibilities with both systems, especially Laura. One model actually takes Laura into Florida. So again, we could still see some dramatic changes in the coming days as far as the forecast for both Marco and Laura. As far as the latest outlook from the Weather Prediction Center regarding rainfall for the ArkLaTex. Now, keep in mind, we have seen with the latest advisory with Laura a shift towards the west. So if that does happen, we would see more of these 3, 4, 5-inch rainfall totals, especially over the eastern sections of the ArkLaTex. As of right now, it looks like I would say 1 to 3 inches possible across the ArkLaTex, but keep in mind there's still a great deal of uncertainty. So as of right now, it looks like we will see a landfall with Marco Monday evening over southeast Louisiana, moving across the southern edge of the ArkLaTex as a depression Tuesday. Laura comes into perhaps the border of Texas and Louisiana, and it moves across our area as we look ahead to Thursday evening more than likely. So 1-2 punch with these tropical systems, but there remains a great deal of uncertainty as we enter the work week and head through the work week with the arrival of these tropical systems.